Hello, and welcome. Let's take a quiet moment, just for us. Settle in, and allow the world outside to simply fade away. Let your shoulders relax, and just be here. Look at the sheer scale of it all, these ancient giants, touching the sky. See how the soft sunlight spills over the peaks, catching the edges of the morning mist as it drifts through the valleys below. The air up here feels so clean, so crisp. Every ridge, every shadow, tells a story millions of years old. There's a deep hush here, a profound silence, broken only by the faint whisper of the wind. It's a quiet that feels like peace. A stillness that allows you to hear your own breathing, your own thoughts. Let this feeling of calm, of quiet strength, stay with you for a while. Take one last, slow breath with me. Inhale the peace, and exhale any noise. Until we meet here again.